Hi, I am Bob, and I want to help you learn the numbers. Let us count all the objects on my wagon. 1 van. 1. Hi, 1.
Hi, Bob.
2 watches. 1, 2. Hello, 2.
Hello, Bob.
3 jugs. 1, 2, 3. Hey, 3.
What's up, Bob?
4 suns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, 4.
I hope you're doing good.
5 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, 5.
Hey, Bob.
6 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hi, 6.
How you doing, Bob?
7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello, 7.
It's good to see you, Bob.
8 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi, 8.
Hi, Bob.
9 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, 9.
Hello, Bob.
10 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, 10.
It's good to see you, Bob.
Let's count the numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.